Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to approve attendance regularization here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, as you can see here under the Home tab and Overview, okay, as you can see, we have this request. You can just go ahead and easily hover over the request and click on Approve. All right, another option is by going to Approvals right here. As you can see, hover over the request as well, okay, and you have the Approve button. Another option is by going to the top right and click on the notification section and click on the request as well. And then here you can go ahead and click on approve right here with a check mark. If you want to add in some comments, you can go ahead and do so. Just click on comment right here and hit on post and hit on OK. Another option is by going to operations. Now click on attendance and then here go ahead over to regularization. And here you have your request waiting for approval. Click on it. You have the approve button right here at the top right and the option to approve right here at the bottom left as well. Just click on it, add in a comment if you want to. If not, just hit on confirm. And then once done, it now says here approved. Okay. When we go ahead and check it out right here under the person who requested. Okay. As you can see, it is currently under waiting for approval status. So just basically click on the notification section. As you can see here, the admin or the owner or whoever is assigned for approving your regularization has approved your request. Okay. All you need to do is just refresh the page. And once done, as you can see here, it is gone under pending, but you can go and click on approved right here. And as you can see, it is now approved. That is it. That is how you approve attendance regularization here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.